Hello student, good morning to all of you. We have to study integers. In integers, property of addition on integers. Here we have to study the properties of addition on integers. This is the practice of class 7. Properties of addition. When we add two integers or integers, what are the properties of? First is closure property. First is closure property. If we add any two rational number, if a and b integers, here sorry, not rational number, integers. If a and b are any two integers, you have all of you know about the integers. If a and b are two integers, then a plus b is also a integer. If you add two integers, the answer will be also an integer. जब हम दो इंटीजर को ऐड करते हैं तो जो आंसर आता है that is also a integer, an integer. For example, 5 is integer, 3 is also integer. If we add both, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 8 is integer. Here, which is an integer? Sum of two integers is an integer. 4 plus 6 is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 is also integer. So in closure property says that sum of two integers is an integer. This is the closure property of addition. Hence sum of two integers are always. इसलिए दो ऐड करते हैं दो इंटीजर्स को, तो उसका जो आंसर आएगा वो इंटीजर्स ही होगा, इंटीजर्स के सिवा कुछ नहीं होगा. Only that will be an integer. And next, second is commutative property. Commutative property of addition on integers. If a and b are any two integers, then a plus b is equal to b plus a. दो इंटीजर को ऐड करते हैं तो उनका ऑर्डर चेंज कर देने पे कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी में यही होता है कि यू हैव टू चेंज द ऑर्डर ऑफ एडिशन. ऑर्डर चेंज करने पर उनके एडिशन पे, उनके सम पे कोई इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ता. द एडिशन ऑफ इंटीजर्स इज सेम, इज रिमेन्स सेम. सम ऑफ integers remains same if we change the order of integers. Here a plus b is equal to b plus a. Here we have to change the order. We change the order, but answer is same. Here 3 plus minus 7. Here there is positive integer. Then here that minus 7 negative. If we add both, change the order. Minus 7 plus 3. Here we change the order. But what will be the answer of both? 3 plus minus 7 will be also minus 4. And the minus 7 and plus 3 it will be also minus 4. Because I have told you addition of rational numbers if sign both the sign of integers are same or if the sign of integers are opposite. All of you know how to add. So in here we get in both condition by changing the order we get minus 4 and minus 4. So here both are minus 4. And second minus 5 plus minus 9. Here we have changed the order minus 9 plus minus 5. Both is minus 14. Because both are same sign, so addition will be the same sign. 5, 9, 14. Here we have changed the order. 9 minus 5 minus 14. So addition of integer is commutative. If two integers, we add two integers by changing the order, the sum of integers remains same. This is the commutative property of addition of integer. Third is, let's study third property, associative property. Third property is associative property. Third is associative property. If A, B and C are three integers. If A, B and C are three integers, then A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. In associative property, we have to make the group of two rational number and the group sum of the two rational number that is grouped in third rational number. And by changing the group, when we take other two numbers by leaving one integer, the addition of that is also same. This is associative property. जब कोई तीन इंटीजर्स हो उसमें दो का ग्रुप बनाकर ऐड कर लें, ऐड करने के बाद तीसरे रेशनल नंबर में ऐड कर लें, फिर उस ग्रुप को चेंज कर लें. यहाँ हमने पहले दो को बनाया. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी ग्रुप टू रेशनल नंबर, फर्स्ट टू इंटीजर्स, फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड. द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड इंटीजर्स is added in third integer. Here second and third integers are added in group and the sum of third and second integers is added in first. The in both cases answer is same. Answer is same. So this is the associative property. We take examples, some examples. For example, five examples. -6 plus -7. -6 plus -7. -7 plus 8 plus 8. Here we group first and second integers. Equal to, now we have to group second and third integers. -6 plus -7 plus 8. Here we have to solve. Both signs are same, so -13. -13 plus 8 is equal to -6 plus, here positive sign, its numerical value is more, so 8 subtract 7 from it, 1. Here -13 plus 8 is equal to -6 plus 1. Here the numerical value of 13 is more, so out 8 from 13, so we get 5, and the sign of greater numerical 5 is equal to the numerical value of 6 minus 6 is more, so out 1 from 6, 5. The sign of 6 is more, so here 5. Both are equal. So this is associative property. Hence, of integer. Hence, addition of integers is associative. जब दो इंटीजर्स को ग्रुप बना लेते हैं, तीसरे में ऐड कर लेते हैं, फिर दूसरे और तीसरे को बनाकर पहले में ऐड कर देते हैं, तो दोनों कंडीशन का आंसर सेम है। क्या है? दिस इज द एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एडिशन ऑन इंटीजर्स. Next property we have to study, that is additive identity. Additive identity. Existence of additive identity for any integers a. For any integers a. For any integers, you can take a, b, c, an integer. We have a plus 0 or 0 plus a equal to t. In both conditions, a plus 0 or 0 plus a. If we add any rational number with 0 or 0 is added in any integers, the sum of 0 and integer is the integer itself. किसी इंटीजर को 0 में ऐड करते हैं या 0 को किसी इंटीजर में ऐड करते हैं, तो उसका जो सम होता है वही इंटीजर खुद हो जाती है. Sum of, if 0 is added in any integer, the result is the integer itself. For example, minus 2 plus 0 is equal to minus 5 plus 0 is equal to minus 5. Here, if we add 0 in any integer, it does not affect that integer. The integer is itself. So this is additive identity of integers. Next is additive inverse. Fifth is additive inverse. Additive inverse. For any integers, for any integers a, we have a plus minus a is equal to 0 or minus a plus a equal to 0. For any integers a, we have a plus minus a is equal to 0, minus a plus a is equal to 0. If any integer is given, then the negative of that integer. If positive integer is given, then the negative of that integer is called additive inverse. If negative integer is given, the positive of that integer is additive inverse. किसी भी इंटीजर्स का यदि कोई पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स है तो सेम वैल्यू, सेम न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू होगी, बट साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. फॉर एग्जांपल -5 to 7. Here three integers are given. So additive inverse of -5 is 5. You have to change the sign only, not the value of integer, but sign. You have not change the numerical value, but you have to change the sign. Additive inverse of 2 is minus. You have to change the sign. Additive inverse of 7 is minus 7. If we add -5 plus 5 is equal to 0. Addition of an integer with its additive inverse is 0. For example, -7 is an integer. Additive inverse of -7 is plus 7. So sum of both is 0. If we add any integer with its additive inverse, the answer is 0. So this is the additive inverse property of addition on integers. So I think all of you have understood about the property of addition on integers. So it is sufficient for today. So we see in next video. Thanks for today.